There is a big difference between solving a problem and dissolving the anxiety around the problem. By all means, pay the bill, have the difficult conversation, and fix what needs to be fixed. Vedanta is not teaching passivity, but notice this habit we all have. We assume once this situation is under control, then I will finally be okay. This is the trap. It is like waiting for the movie to improve before you allow yourself to relax. As long as the story is tense, you stay tense. As long as the plot is uncertain, you stay uneasy. Vedanta shows us how to flip this. Instead of fixing the movie to feel stable, you discover the stability that was never part of the movie in the first place. Find the screen so you can handle the movie without getting lost in the drama. And this is important. Vedanta is not asking you to imagine a new inner entity, a soul hiding behind the body and mind. It is not asking you to believe I am some higher thing. It is asking you to stop mistaking what you are not as who you are. So how do we explore this directly right now? Even if the problem in your life is still unresolved. Let's look together. This is not a breathing exercise or a visualization. This is simple self-inquiry, a shift of attention from what is experienced to one who experiences. In Advaita Vedanta, there is a simple principle. You cannot be what you perceive. If you can see a cup, you are not the cup. If you can hear a sound, you are not the sound. If you can feel anxiety, then anxiety is something known, not what you are. So let's examine this carefully. Sit comfortably and close your eyes for a moment. Bring into attention whatever tension or anxiety is present right now. Do not try to change it. Do not judge it. Just notice it as it is. Notice where this tension shows up in the body. In the chest, in the stomach, in the throat. Now gently ask inside, to whom does this feeling arise? Do not think about the answer. Just look. The response is immediate and simple. It arises to me. Good. Now stay with that sense of me, not as a definition, just as a feeling of being present. Now ask for the deeper question, who am I? Do not search for a word. Do not look for a memory or an image. Do not try to conclude anything. Simply notice this. When you look for the one you call me, all you find are sensations, thoughts, feelings, and perceptions. All of this appear and disappear, and all of them are known. In this looking, something subtle becomes clear. There is anxiety appearing, but no anxious entity is found. There are thoughts moving, but no thinker apart from the thoughts is discovered. This is the key point. Vedanta is not revealing a new identity. It is dissolving the false one. The moment you stop insisting this anxiety is me, a natural space appears. Not because you created it, but because the mistake dropped. Open your eyes. That quietness you noticed was not something special that arrived. It was simply the absence of confusion. You do not need to remove anxiety to be free. You only need to stop claiming it as me. Freedom does not come from adding some higher identities. Freedom comes from letting go of false identities. And that letting go begins very simply by seeing what you are not. If this practice helped you find a moment of space, hit subscribe. We explore Vedanta for modern life every week. Until next time, notice how easily thoughts, emotions, and roles are mistaken for me. That mistaken identity creates anxiety and struggle. When that misunderstanding is seen through, the suffering drops naturally. And if you want to break free from mental loops, watch this video next.